Welcome crafters, Michelle here. I have a beautiful Deco mesh gone fishing wreath for you today. This wreath is perfect for a Father's Day gift, or maybe you have a lake house or cabin that you're looking for some decor. This would be perfect on your front door. Let me show you how to make it. For today's Deco Mesh Gone Fishing wreath, you're going to need a 14-inch working wire wreath form. If you have not seen me put one of these together, you can find a link in the description box below that'll teach you how to do this. It's only about a 2 or 3 minute video. It's quick and easy, but it's a great reference if you ever need to do it again in the future. You're also going to need 1 roll of burlap mesh. Now you can pick up this type of mesh from any of the large craft stores. Most of the supplies that I'm going to be using today I picked up from craftoutlet.com. I did get all of my mesh there. And this is their burlap mesh, 10 inches at 10 yards. It was $6.95. You can find this also at Hobby Lobby, and if it's on sale, it's about the same price. I have my roll laid out, and to get this attached, just scrunch the end. Now you can start either on the inner ring or the outer ring. It doesn't matter on this wreath form. I prefer to start in the center, so that's where I'm going to. Just lay down your mesh, get a nice tight twist on there so it is secure. Sometimes people like to use a zip tie at the beginning and the end to make sure it doesn't move, but I find if you get that on there good, it's nice and secure and you won't have any issues. Now we're going to do our base first with the poof method. I like this because it expands my base and it allows me to attach all the other items that I need to. And then we're going to go back and we're going to fill it in with some curls. So on our poofs here, we're going to start by measuring them at 10 inches. Just pinch at 10 inches. You want to start where you attached it. Go to your next pipe cleaner that's in the center and place it in. And continue to measure your poofs at 10 inches and just move your way around the center part of the ring. This wreath is perfect for a Father's Day gift, or maybe you have a lake house or cabin that you're looking for some decor. This would be perfect on your front door. Okay, I'm back where I started. To get down to the outer ring, just drop right down to the pipe cleaner below. Give a twist. And then continue to measure at 10 inches and move your way around the outer ring. Once you have all of your poofs on, then you want to go back and open them up and spread them out. With what's left of your first roll and an additional roll, this is a soft poly mesh weatherproof. This I also picked up from Craft Outlet. It is 10 inches at 6 yards. You want to cut what's left of this roll and this roll into pieces at 10 inches. We're going to be adding these as curls to our base. Let's prep our ribbon. I pulled out 3. This one I absolutely love. It is has fish on it, by the lake, catch of the day, boating, all those wonderful things. This is 2.5 inches at 10 yards, $6.75. Really good ribbon. I did pick that up from Craft Outlet. I also got this from Craft Outlet. This is 2.5 inches, and I love the texture, and this was really inexpensive. It was only $1.75. Make sure I get the right one there. But I thought it was perfect to add texture and kind of that netting feel. So I'm happy with that. And then this is the faux burlap ribbon in the green that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. This comes out of their fall section. This is 2.5 inches at 9 feet. On this ribbon, you want to cut 18 pieces at 12 inches. And the other 2, you want to cut 9 pieces each at 12 inches. I've opened up all my poofs and pulled up all my pipe cleaners, so my base is ready to add some curls and our ribbon. Now on the mesh, I did end up getting 3 more pieces in the green, so I cut what I had left over. I'm going to sneak these in on the top or the center ring. And I do have all my ribbon cut on both of my fabric type ribbons. These two, I did go ahead and dovetail the ends. On this, I just left it blunt. So I'm ready to start putting together our bundles and adding them to our wreath. So we're going to put 1 curl of each color. And a curl is really easy. You just do a nice loose roll all the way across. Now if your ends are sticking out, your curl is too tight, go back and loosen it up. You try not to get those ends to stick out, that'll cause more fraying. Now I'm using my Bow Dabra. I like to use this machine when I do bundles. It holds everything for me. Do the same thing with the green. Okay, so one bundle is going to have these 2 ribbons, and then the other bundle will have these 2 ribbons. And I'm just going to be alternating between the 2. And I kind of want the green to be in the background on the ribbon. Okay, so that's our first bundle. Okay, give a good twist, trim your pipe cleaners, and then push those forward. Now there are 6 around the center, so every other one I'm going to add an additional roll of the green because I have 3 extra. For your convenience, in the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. And that's our second bundle. My base is complete. I've gone back in and I've styled out my ribbon and fluffed everything. I'm pulling all of my ribbon away from the center so I have room for my sign. And this is the sign that I'm using. If I'm missing, I've gone fishing. That's going to sit right up on top in the center. I think that will be absolutely adorable. I did pick this up from craftoutlet.com. It is a metal sign and it is 12 inches. It was $5.95. It does come with a hole at the top and the bottom for you to attach it. And I'm just going to be using some floral wire that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I like the silver because it really does kind of disappear amongst any light color or medium color. Then you just use your floral wires, feed it through your mesh, and attach it to the wire frame in the back. I have my sign on. It's nice and secure. It's not going to go anywhere. Now I have a couple more embellishments that I want to add to our wreath today. I found this bass pick, craftoutlet.com, and I also found this adorable little mini fishing pole. They had 2 sizes. This is the smaller one, 20 inches. Both of these were $4.95 each. I have all of my embellishments attached. I have my fish and the fishing pole attached. I'm really happy with that. I love the fish. I think he is perfect. He looks very similar to the fish on the sign. So cute. A wonderful wreath if you have a lake house or a cabin or you're looking for a gift for Father's Day. And there you go, we are all done. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. If you're looking for more craft tutorials, go ahead and check out these videos. Have a great day, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.